Hi, I'm Gary, and I'm excited to give you an overview of our new 5 Series MSO today. The 5 Series redefines ease of use with a 15.6-inch high-definition capacitive touchscreen. It's the first scope designed from the ground up for touch interaction. And even if you haven't used a touchscreen scope before, the controls behave as you expect at every turn. Every element has been thoughtfully designed for intuitive feel and ease of use, with immediate access to the most common operations. Turn on channels, create new math, bus, or reference waveforms just by touching these buttons. Each waveform gets its own badge in the settings bar. If you decide to remove one, simply drag it to the garbage can. Select any waveform by touching it or from the buttons on the front panel. The backlight behind the vertical control knobs changes color to identify the channel assigned to the controls. Notice how each waveform has been placed in its own graticule. We call this stacked mode. Each waveform is visually separated from the others automatically, yet still able to use the full range of the 12-bit A to D. You can switch back to the traditional overlaid mode by simply double-tapping anywhere on the display. Let's return to stacked mode now and turn on cursors. You can drag the cursors across the screen and read measurements right off the waveform. You can double tap on any cursor to change the type of cursor or simply turn them off altogether. Now let's use the measurement system to measure the rise time on channel 2. Each measurement gets its own badge in the results bar. By expanding the measurement badge, you can quickly move the zoomed view through each measurement occurrence or to the minimum or maximum value in the record. With the 5 Series MSO, you no longer need to navigate menus to get to menus. If you want to reconfigure something, simply double-tap the object on the display. For example, I can turn on statistics on my measurement. I could adjust my trigger settings. I could adjust channel 1 settings, and in all cases, you simply dismiss the configuration menu by touching outside of it. The 5 Series represents a fundamental shift in mixed-signal oscilloscopes. Flex channel technology enables each input to be a single, high-resolution analog channel or 8 digital channels. Simply plug a Tektronix logic probe into any available input to convert that input from a single analog channel to 8 digital channels. With 8 flex channels, you can add logic probes for any of these configurations and get the right mix of digital and analog channels. Digital channels share the same high sample rate and long record length as analog channels. Even previously complex tasks like jitter analysis can now be completed easily from the touchscreen with almost no wait time. The 5 Series MSO is available with 4, 6, or 8 input channels and comes standard with high sample rate, long record length, and high waveform capture rate to capture all system activity. And it's available with an optional Windows operating system so you can run PC software right on the scope. In summary, the 5 Series MSO is a powerful instrument that will redefine your expectations of a scope user interface. Thank you for watching this short video.